Hi, it's Doug Atkinson here again from Black Sun Mortgage, and we're going to talk about the property you just viewed at 308-32070 Peardonville Road in Abbotsford, British Columbia. The link to that listing is right here. You can go see the full tour. And right now we're going to talk about getting into the property and financing. We're going to talk about 5% down, 10% down, and 20% down on a purchase of $329,900. What it's going to take to qualify with your income, what your costs are to complete. That includes your property transfer tax, appraisal fees, and your monthly payment. So let's get to it. We're also going to talk about benchmark rates and how it affects you getting a mortgage and how much you can borrow. We're also going to talk about qualifying for a mortgage and looking at your income to qualify and the banks, how they qualify you using PIF. That's a little acronym they use for principal, interest, property taxes, and heating costs. And when you're looking at a strata, they also look at the portion of the condo fees. The trick is the bank rate is set at 5.25% or the posted rate plus 2%, whichever is higher. And for a while, the benchmark rate at 5.25% was much higher than the bank's discounted rates, at a point where we were paying 2.39% for a 5-year term, but they would still qualify you at 5.25%. But now the tides have changed. The benchmark rate is still at 5.25%, but the bank rate is at 4.39 plus 2% equals 6.39%. So the greater of 5.25 and 6.39 is 6.39%. So that is the new qualifying rate that you must qualify for. Let's look at a mortgage at 5% down on $329,900. Your down payment would be 5%. That would be $16,495. Your first mortgage would be $313,405. With a mortgage insurance premium of 4% added to your mortgage of $12,536.20, your first mortgage would be $325,941.20. At 4.39%, that monthly payment would be $1,791.40 a month. The income to qualify for this would be $99,857.88. Plus, we have a transfer tax of $4,598. And we'll come back to the transfer tax later and talk more about that. With 10% down, you would place $32,990. Your mortgage would be $296,910 with a 3.1% mortgage insurance premium added to that of $9,204.21. And you would have a full mortgage at $306,114.21, and your monthly payment would be $1,682.43. The income required for that would be $94,927.13. 20% down, you would have to put down $65,980. You would have a first mortgage of $263,920. There's no insurance premium because this is considered a conventional mortgage. Your mortgage of $263,920 would have a monthly payment of $1,480.52. And the income to qualify for this mortgage would be $72,973.63. Property transfer tax is something that we pay here in British Columbia when we purchase a property. You pay 1% on the first $200,000 and 2% on the balance up and including $2 million. There's more property transfer tax after that, but since this property is under $1 million, we're just going to stick with this formula. The amount of property transfer tax on this purchase is $4,598. As a first-time buyer, you can also receive gifted funds in lieu of a down payment that you saved. Gifted funds can only come from your parents. You can't get gifted funds from your siblings, grandparents, aunts and uncles. Hi, thanks for listening about the mortgage and financing for this property. If you want to tour the property, the link for it's right up here in the corner. And if you have any questions, you can email me at my email address down below. And if you like these tours, please like, subscribe, and click that notification button. And we'll see you on the next tour. Thanks.